Hi, this video is produced in Office 2016 for the PC, and we are going to be going over the different ways in which you can import images based on your file size. So if this is going to be strictly email or just on-screen viewing, you may want to opt for a small resolution where there are other situations where you may want very high quality images on all sides or just select slides. So this one on the left is for 96 ppi, the one on the right is for unrestricted file size. So you can do this on your own files as well. So simply go to File, Options, then choose Advanced. From Advanced, you would choose whatever resolution is appropriate for your needs. So in this case, we are going to be doing the 96 because that's just the greatest contrast from the 600 ppi that we are going to be doing on the right hand side. So we will choose OK. So now when we do that, we will be inserting an image that is 6 meg. So we will insert that and we will save the file. And we will look at it and we will see that it is 2.18 meg. Now we are going to come over here. We will be inserting the same image, but before we do that, we will go over the properties. So we'll go to Files, Options, Advanced, and here it is unrestricted. And we have chosen Do Not Compress Images in File. By doing that, we are saying whatever the maximum file size is what we are accepting in. So we are going to do that right now. And we are going to insert this image. So now if we were to save this image, we would see that it is now, the file is 8.13 meg. If we delete the image, the file size is 1.9 meg. So now we are going to insert that image again at the high resolution. Now you may say that is a large file and I don't need that much. So what you can do is you can always make your resolution smaller, but you can't make it small and then make it large again. You would need to reinsert your image. So from here we can go from the highest option, and we have a 600 dpi, to 330. We can see that it's not much different, but if we save the file, we can see that it's down to 3.85. If we want to do that again, we can now choose 220, save, see what the file size is, 2.95. Again, we can do it once more. We can go to the 150. Starting to degrade a bit, then we can go down to the 96, and it's degraded significantly. So then we can come back up and we can go to the higher resolutions. We can go back and forth between resolution quality until the point that we save the file. Now we are going to save it. Now if we want to change the resolution, in this case, we can, because we have not discarded edits. So this will allow you to restore your edited pictures to their original state. The disadvantage of this is it will increase your file size. So if you're willing to discard editing data such as crop marks, etc., that will reduce your file size. That is completely at your discretion. I like to err on the side of caution and pretend like that doesn't exist, because if it does not perform and you all of a sudden need a high resolution and that functionality failed or you forgot to check it, you could have a lot of work rebuilding your images. So I just like to disclose that. But this is a really great approach to allow you to work with varying file sizes on a case-by-case basis. Conversely, if you wanted to have all of your files now be reduced to 96 ppi, you would simply uncheck apply only this picture. So that would be another way in which to approach this. And so right now, the resolution that we are doing as far as the high resolution or low resolution would only apply to a specific picture. If we unchecked that, it would apply to all pictures. So that is a very important distinction. You may want one to be very low resolution because it's more of a background image, where this you would want to maintain the high resolution for maximum readability. Thank you.